Good afternoon, Callum here from Lloyd South Lakes MINI Sales. Today join me with a really nice special example of a 2019 69 plate Mini Cooper S. This particular one is one of the sport editions, so on the inside you got the sport seats, you got the black alloy wheels as you can see, and the car is finished off with the black roof and black wing mirrors as well. It is a really nice car. Obviously, as they always do, come as the Cooper S with the two rear exhaust pipes on the back there. Gives it a really nice cosmetic look and finish on the car itself, and it has a really nice raspy sound to it as well when you do give it a little rev or put your foot down. As you can see, they've got the 17-inch black alloy wheels as a finish on them as well. This car's in really nice condition. It's done just under 13,500 miles and has just arrived with us here on site at Lloyd South Lakes MINI. As you can see, it is the facelift edition with the LED daytime running lights, which are situated on obviously on the front of there. We've also got the LED fog lights just at the bottom, and it's also got the LED headlights as well. Now again, distinctive to the Cooper S, you've got the funnel on there as well on the bonnet, and you've also got the S badge on the front. Really good looking car, this particular one, and as always, with it being a Mini approved car, it will come with 12 months manufacturer's warranty, 12 months roadside assistance, 12 months MOT cover, and also go through all of our servicing should it need it as well. Just show you into the space in the rear back seats. Be good if I could get that open the first time. And as you can see, we've got the sport seats with a really nice pattern on there as well, which are with like a little white sewed line on, and the sport stripes down the middle. In the rear, we've got a little cup holder. It's three seats on there as well. Fully electric windows all the way around. And as you can see, they have got a very generous amount of space in the boot to say that they are a Mini. This particular one does come with a tyre inflation pack on the rear as well. Just make my way into the front of the car. As you can see, 14,820 miles on the clock, and we have got the really nice sport seats on the upholstery in the front there as well, which are the John Cooper works, as you can see, matching the steering wheel just below there as well. The car is equipped with auto lights and auto wipers. We've got a really nice infotainment system on the inside as well, and just below we've got the air conditioning unit. To start the car, it's just a foot on the brake and you press the engine start button, and to engage the gear you press the trigger on the unlock side on here and pull it into gear, into drive or reverse as such on there. Below that again, we've got the control module for the infotainment system. So as you can see, we've got the media, the menu, the map, the nav. So it's got equipped with a sat nav on this particular one. Really nice specification. You can zoom in and out using the cursor on here as well. And as you can see, this is just how far away we are from the M6. Not too far at all, 10 minutes or so in a car. Thank you very much for watching this video, and thanks for your time, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.